People who are have experienced flooding in the past, people living in low-lying areas, are preparing their homes as this wet weather rolls in. At the same time, fire stations in the county are handing out free sandbags to locals. Action News reporter Lauren Seaver joins us live from Salinas with more.
Aaron, last winter, about 15 homes off of Russell Road were completely flooded, and this year they say they're not going down without a fight.
Everybody, all this whole neighborhood was flooded, like 15 houses was flooded.
Albert Halbergy is talking about this. December 11th, 2014. About 15 homes along Russell Road in Salinas completely flooded.
They started like 4 feet up on the other third house from here and then ended up over here like 2 feet.
He says after $10,000 in repairs, this year he's prepared for the rain. He cleaned up the creek on his neighbor's property and also got about 100 sandbags.
You know, you have to prepare yourself with the county, and they can be, helping everybody.
And that's why, with torrential rains predicted for this El Nino year, they're helping residents now by giving out free sandbags.
When the rains come and the water's coming, most of the time that's a little too late. So try to be as proactive as you can and a little bit less reactive, and I think everybody's going to be in a better situation.
Firefighter Montana Dye is encouraging everyone to check around their home. He says the rain we've had the last few days is a good opportunity to look around and see where the water is settling. That way, you'll know if sandbags are needed.
We try to limit each individual to 25 bags. We understand that some houses need a little bit more than others, so just let us know and we'll do our due diligence and try to accommodate each individual.
Albert Halbergy has 100, and he hopes that'll be enough.
Hope for the best.
Now, Monterey County Fire Departments do have about 30,000 of these free sandbags to give out. City departments have them as well. You do have to fill most of them yourself, but they have stockpile sand piles throughout the county. Aaron.
All right, Lauren, thank you. And so for a complete list of Monterey County and Santa Cruz sandbag distribution and stockpile areas, you can just go to our website. We have the full list right there at ksbw.com.